just take advantage. Let's take the advantage of this class and re-explain this thing again. We said we are plotting the graph of y equals to 2x plus 3 for the following condition. The condition is minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. From the graph, we determine the gradient of the line, midpoint of the line, and distance between the 2 points. This is the x. Our x from the left hand side, the negative side, based on this condition, we have 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. From the right hand side, the positive side, we have 1, 2, 3, and x. Now, for the given value of x here, we are going to obtain the corresponding value of y. Substituting everything into this equation of y equals to 2x plus 3. Now, for the equation y equals to 2x plus 3, we now say when x equals to minus 3, we now substitute x equals to minus 3 in this equation. The value given to us will be the corresponding value of y at x equals to minus 3. Are we good to go?
Yes.
When x equals to minus 3, put x equals to minus 3 into equation 1. We have y equals to, the 2x comes down here. In place of x, we already said x equals to minus 3, put x equals to minus 3 plus 3. We do the substitution, we get our y equals to minus 3. We go, you do the same thing to x equals to 2. You put 2 here, 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is what? Oh, 2 times, when x equals to 2, 2 times 2, 4. Then minus 2 plus 3 is minus 1. You do this after giving this one. For the intermediaries, you leave them, you now come to 3. You substitute x equals to 3, you get your x equals to 9. Now, plotting of the graph, you draw your coordinate like this. That is the coordinate. We have the Cartesian coordinate here, the x-axis and the y-axis. From the positive value of y, we have the highest number to be 9. For the negative value of y, we get the highest number to be minus 3. We draw our minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. When x equals to minus 3, our y equals to minus 3. And when x equals to 3, our y equals to 9. We draw this straight line graph we have here. The first thing in the question said that we should find the gradient. The gradient is, you choose from this point here, you have our right angle triangle. If you come down like this line cut x at 0. That means our x1 is 0. If you look at here, this line cut x at 2 means our x2 is 3. You come here, this line cut y at 3 means our y1 is 3. You come here, this one cut it at 2, we get our y2 to be 9. We said the gradient was given by the formula change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. 9 is our y2, 9 minus 3, which is our y1, all over 3 is our x2 minus 0, which is our x1. 9 minus 3, 6, and 3 minus 0, 3. 6 all over 3 give us our gradient to be 2. To calculate for the midpoint, this is the formula for midpoint. Midpoint equals to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 plus y2 minus y1 divided by 2. We make the substitution, we get our value for the midpoint. Distance, for the distance we say d is given by square root of x2 minus x1 close bracket square plus y2 minus y1 close bracket square. Our d equals to, our x2 is 3 minus our x1 is 0 square plus our y2 is 9 minus our y1 is 3. 9 minus 0, 3, 3 square 9 plus 9 minus 3, 6, 6 square 36. D equals to root of 9 plus 36, D equals to root of 45. Then D is equal to 6 point what?
7.
6 point what?
7.